Okay, so I think I'd like to modify the material on my water droplets. Right now, I've just got basically just a transparent BDSF on it. So I'm wondering if maybe, without getting too into the weeds or complicating it too much, if I can just quickly do a few things to modify this. So I'm thinking of the glass shader, and if I connect that rather than the transparent, I get this. Now let's smooth that out, just make it look a little cleaner for us. All right, so anyway, um, so that's all right, but I'd like to have some of that transparency there. So obviously, I can't connect the two, so I'm going to go ahead and do a search for a mix shader and put that right in between. And connect the transparent as well. All right, so we're getting a little bit of both. I like that. I wonder if I can't modify that a bit more yet, and maybe, let's see. Actually, let's just take a look at this from kind of our privileged point of view and see what we get. No, I think that in and of itself might actually be what I need. Simple and to the point. I might do more with it later, but for the moment, this is a very simple solution that gets it's kind of mimicking an effect that's similar to what I would like to see.